to do it here while in the house when she's sleeping. So, yeah. So I'm gonna start doing my makeup. I'm sorry, because I have it like in the morning. First thing first, moisturizer. Just, yeah. I'm just gonna do it fast because I ain't got time for this. For I think at least 10 minutes. That's how quick I could be. Just moisturizer and then sunscreen. It's just the sunscreen chips got cheap. No, they're like $15, which I really think this is matches my skin. Before I have like a Woolworths sunscreen, but yeah, it's quite cold today. I mean, it's raining outside, but I try to make it fast. And then what I like to do is like just put a bit of a foundation. This is like a sample foundation that I have. It's kind of look nasty, but anyway. So most of the time, just put it under my eyes because that's where I like to protect. I also look in the mirror there. It's already 1 minute. I just try to make it look natural, as natural as it can be. I also like how, oh my god, my member style has started to do my eyebrow. Just simple, because I don't have the this the like slay like Cara Delevingne, my favorite model. Eyebrow look, Cara Delevingne. Like I try to make it as natural as I could. And I have this brow from Tattoo Brow from Maybelline as well. It's mostly that I'm wearing is from Maybelline. So sometimes in the camera it doesn't look much, but when I see in the mirror, it does look a lot. Yeah, another thing. Favorite part, so your eyebrow could stay. Just make sure you brush them. That's how I normally do it in the morning. And my favorite part in the morning, lipstick. First thing, or I'm contouring with lipstick. It's just this color is just like a really tan color, and then you can wear a brush or you can wear whatever you like, your hands. That's how I do it. Then for blush, just around your cheek. It's a bit of waking up in the morning. And what I'm trying to do, I was just trying to find my red lipstick, but I couldn't find it. Oh, I found it. This is what I'm doing. First layer. All red. I'm Frenchy candle looking. From my red lipstick. This is what I like more. Don't worry, we're gonna blend them. First layer. Some people will ask how do I actually make my lips. First layer, that's done, and I'm looking for my another layer. And then natural layer. And then let me fix my arm a bit because I can see. That's it. I rarely put anything in my eye. I barely eat breakfast, but I try to. But today I'm just only gonna have this biscuit. Sorry guys. And then yeah, maybe one egg and tomato. You know when after you're eating and you feel like you're gonna poop? That's the time. When? After eating breakfast. I don't know how I'm going this, but I gotta bring my shopping bags and my lunch. Let's go to the car. This is the gate to my home. I think around 8:20 sometimes, but it's 8:05. I'll be taking some time in the car to recharge my dog. Oh my god. Yep. That's my water bottle. I was looking for it. Let's see. Guys. Thing. Good to go. Get you guys inside the car, hopefully. So yeah. I'm gonna do an outro here. Right now I'm so close where I work, but this is the view. So I'm just gonna let you guys, well, so like I hope you guys can see the view, but later on, okay? It's really raining right now. I just couldn't. I'm good. I just my phone dropped. Nicole is behind me. It's because my phone. See, that's the view, guys. Hold on. I gotta open the gate. the shed if you guys can see. I wish you guys can see. But look at the mountains. It's so foggy. Nicole's still there, and I've arrived. So yeah, that's the view, guys. And there's like, I was waiting for Nicole's behind me. Where is her car? There's supposed to be like one car. I'm not sure. Where is she? Gray car. There she is. Anyway, guys. Yeah, I'm arriving. I guess I'm gonna end my vlog for today. Sorry guys. I dropped you a bunch of times. There's Nicole. I'm just like, I don't know what to do. Like, I forgot to close my window.
Waiting for pairing. Paired.
That's Nicole. Which is probably like getting out there. That's her. Morning, guys. Bye. Going home, guys. Going home. Open the car. Oh my God. Going home, guys. I just showered, so I'm not wearing my seatbelt because we're just gonna open the gate later. I'm supposed to be like going back. I'll turn the camera later on, guys. So there is this incident or accident happening, like my friend's friends. Oh my God. Yeah, during this kind of weather, like those streets and the roads, whatever you call it, it's so slippery, so we gotta be careful. Even here right now, it's not even like the main road, it's like around the farm, around the garden here, and I can see like my windscreen, whatever you call it, like lots of leaves going around. We're gonna have water on my windscreen. So seatbelt, and then my wallet and everything in the back, and then we're good to go. Bismillah. So like, I've already go through the gate like I did this morning. This one's the same thing. You guys good? I'll just like set you up again. Oh my god, is it broken now? Yeah, my tripod's broken, guys. It's broken. It's broken. We're almost like really close from home. So everyone's gonna be like, what is she doing? Why is she there? Like, my phone's dropped. Maybe I should have been parked here, but anyway. So guys, I'm back on the main road. That's funny, because my camera dropped. So many trucks, so many long vehicles that you gotta watch. Just a few times. Almost there, guys. Driving is not easy. You gotta focus, but when you get used to it, the roundabout is probably what I always afraid of, because that's where people get accident a lot. Roundabouts. Where is my house? Where should I turn? Sometimes I was like, this one's. Probably this one. Almost home. I'm hungry. I need to pray. There's a yellow guy on the side of focus. Yeah, one more vlog. Finish here. Says 40, so you gotta slow down just in case someone crosses the streets. And this is like swimming pool on the right, so that's why they have like zebra curves. Hey. Sorry guys, I promise I will use better camera next time. It's like 40 or 45 here. And here, because it's quite like a hill, so it says 25 kilo. Somebody's walking. It's just sometimes like some people still walk around here and bring their stuff. It's just be grateful you have a car and you can go anywhere you want. And this is the house. We arrived. So that's it for today, guys. I'm just gonna sign out. So that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna say bye for today's vlog. So yeah, look at the below. So I'm gonna take a thumbnail.